Eastside Church is getting the chance to make some major changes in the city. WRTV's Troy Washington explains where they're planning to start helping Hoosiers after being awarded a $75,000 grant.
So many different calls to the church and so many different people, even our own parishioners who reach out to us in this time where there's, unemployment numbers have spiked, and we've got people who've lost their jobs and people who have part-time jobs and who used to have full-time jobs.
Pastor Kenneth Sullivan says even though the church isn't holding services inside of these doors right now, there's still a ministry and work being done.
I think this is going to help people rebuild their lives. Obviously, COVID has impacted all of us in a number of different ways.
New Direction Church was selected to receive $75,000 from the Lilly Endowment Fund.
We were blindsided by the blessing. I got a phone call from Lily's endowment, and they